What seems to be the problem, puppy? Where's the moth? Can't you trying to get it? Oh my God, you think you're gonna get it? You hope? Wow. Really? You want it real bad? Where's the moth? But what's the problem? You can't get it? No? Why? You don't know? Can you fly? No? But you look, Muti, baby. You want it real bad? Yeah? I understand. No, I don't understand? Yes, I understand. It's gonna be okay. You don't think so? There's nothing I can do about it.